Hey guys, just came out of the shower and I just wanted to show you the products that I use on my hair. I stick with the Sebastian Twisted line, and that's their line for curly hair. So here's the shampoo, here is the conditioner, and I also really enjoy their hair mask. I use this about once a week for 10 to 15 minutes. And I think that if you're going to jump into doing this, you should definitely go with the whole line. My curls before were more wavy, and I feel like after using this, my curls have formed a better curl. Like it's a little bit more spirally than too loose, and I prefer that look. So for some reason, the whole line together works better. I've tried it with no shampoo conditioner, like specifically for curls, and just use the styling products, but my curls were not the same. My curls look much better when I use the full line. Okay, and then now I'm gonna just jump into the products that I use to put on my hair and let it air dry. So I actually use two, I mix two. I've been going through this process for about 8 months now, and I've tried out at least $600 worth of curly hair products, and I finally nailed it down to two. That is easy, and it makes sense, and it gives me the exact look that I'm looking for. So what I'm using today is I actually do exactly half-half, so 1 pump of each. I stick with the Sebastian Twisted. This is their styling cream. So 1 pump of this, and then I use AQUIS Curl Defining Cream. This stuff is amazing. So I think that if you have finer hair, you don't even need this one. Just start off with the AQUIS if you have fine hair, because this stuff is like gold. It's one of the best curl creams I've ever used. And it's very universal. So this is AQUIS. Okay, so straight out of the shower, my hair is damp. I just started using this towel. I don't know what the name is. Well, I mean, I do, but I don't know how to say it. And it's like, I think it's this. I don't think you'll be able to see it in the viewfinder, but I'll link it down below as well. It's, I think, AQUIS, I'm not sure. But it's a very fancy hair towel. My client gave it to me about a week ago, so I've been testing it out, and I really love it. It's microfiber, but I do believe that it's a higher quality microfiber, and it really does make your hair dry faster. So first, out of the shower, I don't actually comb my hair. I just use my fingers. So you can kind of, I'm going to show you what my wave looks like wet, and it's almost barely a wave. Like you wouldn't even tell that I could possibly make it more curly, but that's how my waves look like wet, if you can see that. So I literally just break it apart like this. I just go from my roots and just drag it down. And I do pretty much get most of the tangles out. I like my hair not tangly. Okay, so now that's good. I like to take out some moisture from my hair because I don't like it to be dripping. I feel like if I leave too much moisture and then put in the product, it takes too long to dry. So I'm just going to go in with my towel, if you can see. Okay, and then I'm just going to scrunch up. Okay, I'm going to scrunch the other side now. And then I'm going to scrunch right at the root, just to give it a little bit of height. Then I kind of just scrunch at the top. Then I'm going to go in with 1 pump of the AQUIS. So just, okay, maybe one and a quarter. And then I'm going to go in with 1 pump of the Sebastian. So pretty much equal parts. So I just scrunch up. Okay, and then the other hand with the product. And I just work on the top, and I kind of just scrunch my roots a little bit. I don't like my roots to be flat, so I feel like this helps it kind of dry better up there. Okay, and then after I work in that product, I go in and use my towel. This can be done much better, but I just do this, and I leave it at that. And I guess it would stay if I just left it. But I kind of move around a lot when I get ready, so I just use a claw clip. This isn't as best as I can be, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my makeup. I look like a little naked mole rat right now. So I'll be back. See you soon. Hi. So I'm back and my hair is fully dried now. It's been about 2 hours since I took my hair out of the microfiber towel. And these are my results. So it's very beachy, very soft. I have pretty much zero frizz. Even though in Hawaii we have a very high humidity level, these two products keep it together, which is pretty amazing. I think that the hardest thing is to find a product that is sticky enough where your hair won't look like a frizz ball, yet at the same time not too sticky where it looks like you just gelled your hair, because we all want like that softer beach look. So with those two products that I showed you today, I feel like it gives you the perfect balance of enough hold and still a lot of softness and shine. So let me show you everything. Here is the back of my hair. No heat tool is required, just air dry. If I don't use the right products or any products, my hair will actually just dry big, like a lion, Mufasa like. It just gets really frizzy and it's not cute. So I feel like this has just changed the game for me. And I have become very lazy getting ready, like in a good way. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you guys have any other questions, please leave me a comment below, subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.